Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful Xmas festival ornaments and wall hanging decoration ideas, beautiful ideas you can get from this video. So stay tuned with us. We are trying to bring for you a very extraordinary, stylish and beautiful pieces of ornaments and also wall hanging decoration ideas, balcony decoration ideas with large craft bottles and many more. You have it in this one video. So stay tuned with us and we try to bring very impressive ideas for our viewers and subscribers. First of all, whoever commented on my channel, so we are very thankful for you, and thanks for comment and thanks for your opinion. So in this video we show you very beautiful handcrafted, handmade, beautiful designs of Xmas tree mini and beautiful ornaments with golden and multi themes. Mostly we show you red theme, and it will look cozy and perfect for this festival. So watch till the end. We try to bring very impressive and unique ideas, very beautiful design for you. If you want to watch more designs like this, go to my channel and we show you very beautiful designs. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day, and watch till the end. We gives you a best and beautiful design. If you want to watch more designs like this, subscribe my channel and we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. So watch till the end, stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe, and we gives you best advice and ideas for this time to grow business. Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful Xmas tree decoration and festival decoration ideas. Very beautiful and impressive ideas, and it will really work for you because I try to give you best tips and best advice and beautiful ideas. Very impressive and very effective for your home. So viewers, first of all, this is very mindful. Healthy environment is very great for our mind and increase stress also. If we decorate our home by ourselves, so it would be very powerful and beneficial for your personality. So if you recycle bottle, old jars, and use your old clothes with for bows and cushions, make cushions with them, and make something extraordinary piece. So it would be really helpful for your mind. And any guest is at your home and asked who made this, say you can proudly say that I can made it, I made it. So this is it will very beneficial for you, for your mind, if you are an anti-stress person. So spread happiness and spread enjoying a lot with family and friends. So now come to the next point is, so you can grow your business in this season as well, because this is the season of happiness together, and it's not just about this, it's about time to grow business, make your asset, make your dream come true. It's time to do something different, like you can make some artistic piece. So grow your business, because it's time to grow business. Everybody needs money, everybody needs something different, something stylish, cozy, and run home, money for running home. So everybody wants this. So you can get ideas for this festival, you can sell something different, because this season is full of happiness and everybody wants to purchase something different, something, because customer finds a story, customer finds different types of product, like handmade, handcrafted, unique. So if your product is unique, you will definitely gonna be viral. So come to the next point. This is the decorated items, but you can make it at home with fairy lights, something different addition, old fabric bows and flowers. And the first thing, next thing is that jute craft or burlap art, jute and burlap, jute and jute string. You can add something with that round, and wrap your wrap your bottle wrap your bottle with jute string and round, and don't take tense if is it uneven. So if you will wrap full of with jute, or half with jute and colorful, and add some jute string on neck, and also add some bow, put some fairy lights on it, put fairy lights on it, and this gonna be a very gorgeous masterpiece. It's gonna be a very beautiful and amazing. You put some messengers, and if you add something cinnamon pine stick on it, so it's gonna be very useful for you and very beautiful. It looks very beautiful. If you add some bottles and add some lights, so it's gonna be perfect for you and helpful for you. Beautiful looks with the rustic style. If you want to do a rustic styles, wooden styles, so if you have any old sheet or wood piece, so you can make wall hanging decoration ideas, wall hanging, many things you can make at home. So cutting is hard, but you can make many things like that. You can place wooden piece on a wall, then apply it a holder, and after that you can hang these bottles with fairy lights with the string. So this is the very helpful tips for our viewers. Our sister is very best who is commenting on my channel, because their response will gonna be very amazing, and I really appreciate that, and really, because it's a shortage of time for everyone, but who is commenting on my channel, I will be very thankful for them. If they wants to if they wants to shout out with me, so I will definitely go with that, like, but you have to comment with shout out name, so I will give you a definitely shout out, try to give you, and apologize for that who is not in my messages. So thank you for watching. If you want more designs like this, if you want more designs, different types of ideas like this, we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. I will give you the best ideas. B gives you a decoration ideas, bottle recraft ideas, bottle recycle ideas, and this designs we give you a different way of decorate your home with